Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got the new Harpazo Sky video game up and running. Link is in the description below if you'd like to play. It's a game very similar to Wordle. You pick a 5-letter word and guess at the word. If the letter is in the correct place, it'll turn green. And if it's not in the word at all, it'll turn gray or stay gray. And if that letter is not in the word at all, if the letter is in the word somewhere but it's in the wrong place, it'll turn yellow. You can use your touchscreen on a device, phone or device, and you can use keyboard on keyboard to enter letters. And if you get a letter wrong, you can use the backspace to try again. You can also full screen the game by hitting the little button here, full screen, hold down escape, and it'll go back to the regular screen. And if you need to reload the game, you can reload it with the reload button. It picks a new target keyword. If you get the word correct, it'll play some music, and once that's done, it'll reload a new target keyword. All right, so we got a R and a T. The R is in the wrong place, and the T is in the right place. Looks like the R is now in the right place. And how funny is that? Alright, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Hope you enjoy the game. After the music plays, the next target keyword will load and even play some more. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Share it with a friend. Hope you like the video. End the game.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. Said it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Son of man can seek and save that which was lost. He came to show sinners the way out through his cross. Repent and believe and be born again. Ask and receive as God does send the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?